This is that Tradehagi, not Tradehagi. This is that botanical name is slipping from my mind. But anyway, it's one of the nice jasmine type. Though it's not a member of the jasmine family, very very hardy. You can climb it onto some tree and hang down gracefully, and then long flowering season also is there. And then the butterflies and all, they come for the, when it's newly opened, it's pink like this. In that stage, the pollination and all happens, and these butterflies and all come. Butterflies and other things. Then as the flower becomes old, second day, third day like that, becomes red, like this one. And finally falls off. So every day some of these pink ones, this pink color blooms will appear, new ones. And they become red and finally fall off. And leaves all look like this. And it's so hardy, it doesn't need any watering whatsoever. In fact, once it's settled, you can't even get rid of it easily. But it doesn't spread by itself, except around the base. Here what we've done, we climbed it onto one tree. It's a big shrubby thing. Thorns also will be there, but not much. That's the base over there. And then new shoots will emerge from the sides and all that. And life is in the root. The deeply rooted plants, if you chop the top part also, it will just wait for the next rain and come out. So it provides nice shade also. So along the borders, in front of the house and all, it can climb it onto the balcony. The tender buds also look very nice. Then it's climbed right on top and it hangs down. Those flowers drooping somewhat downwards. It's a very pleasant sight to behold. So this is one of the top, it's called Combretum indicum. And this Combretum, one wild species also is there. Looks exactly like this, but flowers are less. This is one of our native plant.